Jesus. Woo! Alfred! Alfred! Alfred!
Omega! You alright? You good? Warm to you. Omega, warm to you. Warm to you. Omega, talk to me now.
Me, I look a while. I'm just make me nervous. He frightened me.
So, where painkiller in there?
Drop.
Oh, wow. I feel like somebody up on the farm.
Yeah. And it triggered me anxiety.
Georgia. Omega, hear me, I say. Don't worry yourself, man. You're good, man. Nobody not up on the farm. I go to a breadfruit drop around there, so. You alright?
Alfred, look at your condition. Why you have to look on the farm?
Hear me, I say, no, man. What kind of condition you talking about? Nothing wrong with me, man. Small thing, this, you know. It's a little graze, man. Too soon good again.
But, Alfred, you have to stay off of the foot till it heal.
Foot need exercise, man. That the toe need it right now.
Oh boy. You're stubborn for a big man, you know.
I'm not stubborn enough, Omega. But we can't just leave the farm, son. Work still there for do.
But Alfred, what if it did worse? What if you did get shot somewhere else and end up in the hospital? What you gonna do?
Nobody call down the hospital thing for me, man. Just work it out. That's why I'm not in a hospital or their dead house.
So, you not hear from Chase?
No, I know. I'm not answering phone.
Alfred, you realize that Chase is serious, you know?
No, still enough. I forgot have a serious reasoning with him, you know?
Reasoning? You know, see, he look like I run him runway.
No, so I don't feel say I run him runway. I just afraid, man. I feel like I gotta deal with him harsh, you know?
So Alfred, it look like I watch you where you put your weapon.
You know, so I don't feel like I watch me. See, my memory serves me right. I know which day I see when I put it down.
So wait, they know.
You, them lock it off, you know?
So them know say you're one?
No, I know. But I soon link them, man.
Then suppose them get rid of it.
Them nah do that, man. I'm a gen of them. They're not gonna make them move there.
Me can't believe say you have that on the farm. I not say nothing to me. It's serious, you know?
Mega, I never ever say nothing to you about that. I say your anxiety thing always a kick in the start. So I know you stay, man. I never ever say that to you.
But it's dangerous, you know, Alfred. Look what happened.
Mega, what you talk about? I have to protect myself. You know see what I go on a hilltop? I you know see what want with you on the farm down there, so. You think I'm gonna make that happen again? You're mad.
I don't feel comfortable up here, you know, Alfred. Every little sound me hear, I get nervous, my anxiety kick in. I feel like the boy them a come back.
You don't have to worry about them boy there. Them boy they get shub out already. I just talk, me not talk with one because Kingman and Kingman deal with that.
I'm still not comfortable.
Mega, hear me I say, babes. I appreciate say you're forward on the farm and come take care of me. But at the same time, you see, if you decide say you don't want to forward back up here, you have to overs that. Because I know say the situation traumatic for you, I know say it lift up your anxiety. So nobody feel no waste time. No, come check you and your black men.
But Alfred, look how much of the youth them on the farm. Look how much of the youth them have on the farm with come out of the area here. Why you not make them go run the place a little bit till?
Mega, I can't do that, man. I can't hear me, I say no. Remember, say, me not trust people them way they still, you know. Me have them here, but me still have to keep my eye on them and me have to there. Because the minute me not there, a beer fubble double ever go on. And like me I tell you, the youth them from hilltop, we don't know who do the thing up at hilltop. So them good as I want come use us as a base for hide out. Oleba! A king man that. Okay! Run us some there now.
King.
Yeah. Here I go. I got reason with him. I want to done reason. Me I go and talk here.
Alright, baby. I go up on the front here.
Alright.
Yeah, Queen Omega. Walk on. Hey, you know something, if you tell us, really, sorry about what going on, you know. But I don't know if numbers to tell you. Deal with it, yeah?
Yeah, man. Him tell me.
So let's stay strong, yeah? So, when there?
Him around there, you know.
Alright. Now, look.